It's Mike Butcher, and I'm in TechCrunch Disrupt Startup Alley, and we're going to check out the Chinese Pavilion here. Now, come over here. Now, Agora. Now, tell me all about this.
Yeah, we at Agora help developers to add voices to their apps.
Voices. What does that mean? Like voices in my head?
It's like voice calls, real-time communications.
Isn't that called a phone call?
Isn't
that a phone call?
Is that a phone call? Yeah, it's like a phone call within the app. So you don't have to leave the app to make phone calls.
So voice over IP?
It's a voice over IP.
And is that it? Is there anything else to it?
It's crystal clear voices, and it's we make sure it delivers to the customers.
Is it better than the competitors out there?
It's definitely better. We would like to say a lot better.
How do we get it into the app?
It's very simple. It's just simple, very simple, one line of code. So we hook into our API. We give you APIs, so you write a very simple code, and we give you the backend total solutions.
Agora, one line of code, and it gives you a voice call inside the app. Marvelous, thank you very much. Oh, goodness me, we're off to a good start. Okay, now over here we've got Sensoro, iBeacon. Oh, iBeacon's very hot today, and the news today is all about Apple, isn't it? So tell us all about this.
Okay, with Sensoro, we are a company focused on iBeacon production. So iBeacon is a Bluetooth device.
These are the devices here?
Yeah, these are devices here. And now we work together with developer to help the customer to do the solutions for retail store and the bank.
And is it all about fashion and retail, or is it what other applications could you use it for?
Right. We have temperature, we have light, we have movement sensors. So this is our special.
So very, very movement oriented. Marvelous. Sensoro, lovely. Thank you so much. I might steal one of those later. Now, over here we've got.
Hi there.
Hello. Now, what is C-Store Analytics? It's something to do with analytics.
We are Google Analytics for convenience stores and supermarkets.
Fantastic. And who's using it right now?
We've got hundreds of users that are using it across the country. We launched a few months ago, and we're getting great traction.
What's your biggest market?
Our biggest market currently is the US, but internationally there's a great scope for us.
Fantastic. Thanks very much then. Over here we've got VoterAid. Are you VoterAid? What are you?
I'm David Fian, and we are VoterAid. We're the Civic Power Network. Think LinkedIn for politics. We're a social platform where we allow our users to know their elected officials, both candidates and current office holders.
And who's using you right now? All the major parties?
Yeah, absolutely. We are bipartisan, and we serve anywhere from voters to candidates to media to unions to you name it if they're on the campaign.
A startup or a non-profit?
We're a startup. We are for-profit, and we believe we are the alternative, like a $500 an hour lawyer versus a public defender, which is your standard Board of Elections VoterAid. I'm
going to check it out. Thanks very much. Cheers. Right, moving on swiftly on. We've got some people over here. Well, who are these guys? Now, hello, sir. What's the name of your company?
Our name is OBS, so we are an image recognition company.
Right. And there's a lot of image recognition out there. Why are you so good?
Yeah, and first our accuracy of human face recognition is more accurate than our competitors. And then besides the human face recognition, we also do concept recognition, which means we can recognize objects all around you. Animals like cats and dogs, and then we also do clothes, t-shirts, jeans, and shoes, and then food around you. I can show you a demo if you want.
Yeah, show us a quick demo.
Yeah, sure.
You got Mike Zuckerberg here?
I'll show you on a cell phone.
Okay, go for it, yeah. You show it towards the camera.
Yeah, okay, sure. Let me finish up. So do you use a smartphone?
Yes, of course.
Yeah, do you have a lot of photos in your cell phone?
I've only got one, just of me, obviously.
Ah, okay, I like that.
On.
Yeah, okay. So people usually when people use smartphone, they tend to have some photos or even more photos in their cell phones. So basically, they have problems finding their cell phone because they need to scroll down like 50 times to find the photo they want.
So with your app, I can find the photos more efficiently.
Yes, you can basically just type in a keyword and then find a photo. I will show you here. So basically you say, okay.
Show it to the camera.
Yeah, so suppose I want to find the food I have last night and then show it to you. Basically what I do is just type in food, and then all the food just pops up.
And it can recognize food as opposed to a person's face.
Yes, we can recognize food, animals. We can also type in cats, dogs, and then T-shirts, blouses, jeans, and everything.
Internet loves cats.
So
So what's going to happen now? Are you going to sell this API? Are you going to exit for like face.com for millions and millions of dollars or what?
we are still exploring on what we are going to. We are a startup. There's a lot of possibility in our future. We are doing APIs. We are doing apps. We are cooperating with all big names here.
Can any developer take your API for free?
Yeah, for sure. So we have this API all over here that people can use it for their development. So for the first free users, they are capable of using it for free.
And where are you based right now?
We are based in Sunnyvale in the South and Bay Area.
Fantastic. Thanks very much. Okay,
no
over
problem.
over here, we've got Clear Clouds. Hello.
Hi,
What's your name?
my name is Cynthia Liu.
Hello there, Cynthia. So tell us all about this.
Okay, Clear Clouds is a cloud service company, and we provide a data collection and a big data analytics platform to serve for large data centers. We actually serve as a bridge between cloud computing company and the big data companies, and by providing network-based, non-intrusive, and no agent data collection tools.
Now, where is the cloud? Where is your cloud physically?
We don't have cloud. We provide the tools for the cloud service providers. So we kind of empower.
Cloud can be anywhere.
Yes, the cloud can be anywhere.
And where are you guys based out of?
We're based in Wuxi, China. That's a headquarters, and we also have a branch office in Beijing, Shanghai, and Silicon Valley.
And what do you want to get out of Disrupt here while you're here?
Oh, actually, this company was founded in 2011, and after 3 years, we already deployed our products in a number of world famous world famous enterprise, including the Chinese version of Apple, that's Xiaomi, and the Ctrip is a domestic leading travel agency. And right now, we're looking forward to expand our market to US.
Fantastic. Well, lovely to speak to you. And then finally, I think we're going to end on the drone company over here. Excuse us, everyone. Now, what's your name, sir?
I'm Derek.
Hello there, sir. Now, tell us all about this wonderful, sexy-looking drone here.
So all these drones are made by us, and we're actually making intelligent drones and smart drones. That is actually, you know.
The drone right here?
Yeah, that's a drone right here. And also this one, we have the white one. You know, it carries a GoPro.
It's like an iPhone. You can get it in black or white.
Yeah, you can black and white, and it carries a GoPro, so that for you to do aerial filming.
This is quite light. Is what's the main advantage of these drones over something else?
This is made of PCB, and this is all carbon fiber. It's super light. It's also foldable as well. You know, and the whole concept about the drone is that, you know, traditionally people use those like traditional RC controller, but we control the drone using, you know, smartphones like Android.
A little bit. Well, the Parrot drone can be controlled with a smartphone, right?
All those drones made by us gonna be controlled by smartphones, which is super easy to fly. So everyone can fly it and enjoy the fun of aerial filming.
I see. Who would you consider to be your major competitors?
There's a couple companies out there available in the market, but most of those competitors, you know, they're controlled by those traditional RC. So we're very different. So
what's the main advantage of doing it this way?
You mean what the
advantage of using a smartphone?
Okay, the advanced part about this one is that it's really, really intelligent, smart. So you don't crash. You know, it's not easy to crash a drone by using this. Because it's automatic. You know, wherever you want it to go, you just tap on the Google map, the drone's gonna fly there.
So you're selling these drones to people? How much does it cost? How much does this one cost?
So this one is actually gonna get on Kickstarter by the end of this month. It's for those early birds.
Launching on Kickstarter.
Yeah, we are gonna launch in Kickstarter, and the price for the early bird is gonna be $500.
$500 for a drone. And how about this gorgeous beast here?
This one is more for the industry and commercial use, which is much bigger. This is much stronger. It's going to be like at least about $5,000.
$5,000. Will you do me a good price? Let's make it 2. Make it 2. Deal?
All right, deal.
Fantastic.
All right.
I finally got a drone. I so wanted a drone. Ladies and gentlemen, we've done a little bit of a taster of the Chinese Pavilion, and back to the studio from TechCrunch Disrupts Startup Alley.